This is one of the biggest BMW M events, and we are here to celebrate 50 years of BMW M. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let's go. Bro, there are cars all the way until the end, bro. Oh my God. Every single M car in Malaysia is here today. It's crazy. Doesn't matter how much we walk, there are more M cars to look at. We have an E60 M5 with the V10 engine over here. You can see beautiful carbon fiber engine cover. This car has taken a beating. You can tell it's been driven really hard because the stone chip situation in front of this car is no joke. These cars are quite rare to find nowadays in Malaysia, and this car is straight piped. It's crazy loud. If you've ever heard the V10 M5, you would know that this car just sounds like an F1 car. This is crazy. BMW did an amazing job putting this engine in this car. Hey! Hi! Hi, nice to meet you. Can I have your number?
Yes.
Bye! Bye! I'll call you. Alright, we are here with my friend Hanzo here. He has this brand new M4 competition that he just bought. It looks absolutely amazing. I have never seen M4 the new M4 in this color. It looks phenomenal. So can you please give me a quick walk around of your car?
Sure, come this way. Secret to M4. You gotta take a really big step.
Hanzo.
The beautiful thing is, this is my favorite feature of the M4 competition.
That's stock?
Yeah. You can do the settings. I can play my Spotify. I can play blink list. These are also very important features. But M2 sets it into Sport Plus mode. The exhaust is open, as you can tell. If I turn it off, it's quiet, it's comfort. All the mode, driving, all goes to comfort. So if you want a little bit of sportiness, I'll just go M1. Yeah, I like the wireless charging as well. Comes in very handy. I do not know why some of the models do not have this M4 competition, but I do have it, so it's good. Yep, very good. Head-up display. Waze actually shows up on the display, so it's very convenient when you want to drive straight without looking at the instrument dashboard. I can also see Waze here. This is the M4 competition 2021.
We are here as an official partner of BMW M Owners Malaysia. Make sure to click the first link down below in the description to grab yourselves a bottle of 2 of AJ Drives B2B car shampoo. First link down below in the description. Let's go on with the rest of the video. So we found something very interesting here. This is the only left-hand drive M3, which is completely stock. This was shipped from Canada to Malaysia, which is I've never seen a left-hand drive BMW, let alone an M car. Might be weird to some of you guys because you live in left-hand drive countries, but this is interesting because where I come from, all the cars are left-hand drive, and then I came to Malaysia and then everything is right-hand drive, and then seeing a left-hand drive M3 makes me really happy. This car has a very interesting California number plate that is always there.
I bought this in Wii. I in fact bought a t-shirt as well, Wii.
Can I actually Google?
Google, just Google.
Is it in California?
That Wii is a town.
Oh wow! Do they all smoke weed there? We looked it up and it's actually a place in California. So for all you California viewers, let me know in the comments below if you know about this place. It's supposed to be a small town. They've got 2 E46 M3s over here. These cars are an absolute pleasure to drive. Wow, this car is actually on Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. So you would know that this car is being tracked and driven like how it should be. It's amazing. I love these cars. I would love to one day own an E46 M3 because ever since I drove one, I can't stop thinking about it. You have an E92 M3 and F82 M4 over here. This car is actually absolutely crazy. It has an Armitrix exhaust, it has a full race seats, track seats, it has BBS rims. It looks absolutely amazing. It has OSS design headlights. which I've never seen here in Malaysia before. I love it. And the E92 M3, there's nothing to say about it. It's an absolute dream car of mine. Naturally aspirated V8. This car just screams. This event doesn't lack the new M4, I can say. We have 1, 2, 3 M4 competitions over here. I'm still trying to get one featured on the channel, so stay tuned for that, I guess.
When you said you're still trying to get one, I thought you were trying to get one.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Let's get this channel to 1 million subscribers and I will get one of these. Oh, this is interesting. We have M3. For some reason, I really like the F82 M4. When it comes to the newer M3 and M4s, I like the M3. So let me know what you guys think down below, which one you like more. All right, so let's look at the cars outside. We have a crazy looking M4 over here, another M4. This guy has literally painted his rims. Is it the same? I really love the color of these rims. This car is actually owned by one of the viewers of the channel. So amazing looking M4, completely blacked out. Has black rims. It's lowered. It has all the carbon fiber. If I had an M4, it would definitely look like this. Would love to get this car featured on the channel. Wow, this is a convertible E93 M3. This would be amazing to drive because you get all the sound of the screaming V8 up until like 8,400 RPM. With an open roof, this should be an amazing experience to drive this on bendy roads. I love how everyone has over here, how most people over here have like changed their BMW badge to the new badges. As you can see over here, this guy has done it, this guy has done it, this guy has done it. Should I upgrade to the new badge? Let me know down below in the comments. This car is called M2 Smurf. Make sure to follow him. Has a very interesting livery on it, very interesting tint on the headlights. Not sure about the modifications. Would love to do an interview with the owner. Oh my god, bro. We have a very interesting M2 over here. As you might be able to tell, I have a very soft spot for the M2, and that's because like these cars are like amazing looking cars, amazing driving cars. Love the JDM style wheels. Looks absolutely amazing. Black is my favorite color, so that's automatically a win for me. And all the carbon fiber makes it look extra special, and which I really love. We have a wide body E92 M3 over here. We've already seen on the channel once. We have a track build E92 M3 over here. The owner of this car actually tracks the car. The car is on semi-slick tires, completely built for the track. Big brake kit, all the aero, all the carbon fiber. Alright everyone, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. We had a lovely day today. Lots of amazing cars over here. I guess that's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day.